Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. We got a little something different for you today. This is my brother's Serro Scotty camper. This is, we believe, a 67, but we'd have to check the title. This has been in the family forever, and it's been sitting in the backyard here for a while too. So my grandpa had it until he passed away, and then it went to my dad and then to my brother. So what we're doing is this had a big blue tarp on it. Some of you might have seen that in other videos. The tarp ripped, and we got to looking at her, and one thing led to another. Here, move this out of the way. One thing led to another, and we realized the roof was kind of rough, and the roof vent here was really rough. The actual lid, the vent itself was fine, but the lid was disintegrated to nothing. So Big Ron's putting a new one on. I cleaned it out. This had most of the interior to the Chrysler 300 in it, and I cleaned it out. I'm going to get in here a little later and shop vac the whole thing, wipe everything down, so on and so forth. But as you can see, as you come in the door here, you got some storage here. You got a bed area / couch area back there. You got a little kitchenette here. It's got a fridge. It's got a propane little 2-burner there. It's got a sink. It does have a water tank. You can hook water up to it. And you got a little banquette here that makes a bed as well. So the plan is to restore this, and clearly we have some problems. Some water issues and so on and so forth. Not the end of the world. I think my brother wants to have the cushions redone and get them all cleaned up, and these cushions are actually for the banquette. The cushions that go back here, I don't know, but for the bed, but he wants to have them redone. We're going to redo most of the woodwork in here, probably clean these cabinets up or replace them, clean all this up, make it functional. Maybe not modern, but functional. Probably put a new little fridge in it. And before it's all said and done, we'll probably put a max air fan up here. Run a little electric up there when we have these walls ripped open, and do that. It does have electric. You can plug in to shore power. It does have propane. Just kind of cool. And all that works that we know of. There's Big Ron putting the lid on, and that's going to seal that up real good. Now, what we're doing here, guys, what the plan is take you up here. Let's take a trip. The plan is to scrub this entire roof, get all the blue tarp off of it, and then we have a roof sealant made for campers, RV roofs, that we're going to go up here and apply probably today, and that will seal this up, and we'll be cooking with hot grease, and then this thing won't be, leaking, which is step one. And then we do have this. All started with just going to replace the tarp. We bought an extreme duty 12 mil tarp and new bungee cords, but as you can see, it was a little rougher than we anticipated. This was on top of it. I need to throw that over into the woods there, but yeah. So right now, Serro Scotty rescue time. So this will be part one of the Serro Scotty restoration, and this will be something that probably happens over the next couple years. But you can see it's got the new lid on there. Looks good up there. That's going to protect so much more than the other one. The other one, the whole ring around, the whole bottom lip was completely disintegrated. It's fucking terrible, really. But yeah, we're gonna redo this thing and probably paint it and put wheels on it. Or well, not wheels, but tires and rims, and We'll also have a lot of the original Serro Scotty stuff redone, right? Like this cover here, we'll have this redone, and we'll get the actual Scotty dog up there. You can see right there. We'll get that redone. When we repaint it, we'll put all that back on it. It is a Sportsman. For those of you wondering, I believe this is a 67 Serro Scotty Sportsman is what I believe this is. I could be a 66, could be a 65. I'd have to check the title. It's been a very long time, but we are restoring it. But you guys might find this interesting. I know it's a little different than the car world, but it's still in the realm, and a lot of you guys like campers and camping and stuff, so I thought, why not, right? So again, this is part one. Big Ron's doing that. I'm going to go get a shop vac and get inside and vacuum and clean up the inside, and then we're going to scrub with soap and water the entire thing, and then we'll be applying the roof sealant coating to the top, and I'll bring all that to you guys. That'll all be in this video as well, so stay tuned for that, and we'll see you in a minute. I wonder if the pressure washer might be good.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay, guys. Well, she got a bath. We scrubbed it, so you guys can tell it's a lot cleaner. The blue stuff on the roof ain't coming off. It's just what it is. So it's baked into there from the Florida sun. But we did scrub the outside of the camper, scrub the roof, all the things, got all that going. So that's good. The only thing we really didn't get to the back because we can't. So what I'm going to do now, we also got the roof vent replaced. You guys can probably see that up there. It's done. So now, got the shop vac. I'm going to get in this beast and see all this shit. It's just terrible. I'm going to get in here and try to get the cobwebs and all of this and ladybugs and all that out of here. Shop vac this thing out, start cleaning it up to where we at least have a decent base, and then we'll go from there. But that's where we're at right now. Right now we're letting the roof dry so that we can caulk it. That'll probably be tomorrow. Hey guys. And there's a little Scotty dog, isn't that cute? And yeah, so once we get that caulked and that dries, then we'll be in here resealing the roof up there. So that's where we're at. Alright guys, so here's where we're at. Outside's washed, new vent cap on the roof, or vent lid I should say, see right there. Inside, I just shot back that you guys just watched me do that. And obviously the floor needs to be replaced. A lot of this needs to be wiped down and just scrubbed and cleaned and repainted and all the things. But all in all, not terrible. I did put the banquette back together, which is kind of cool. Back out so you can see that. So we do have that there. Now the cushions that go back here, I don't know where they are. Probably have to make some new ones. But yeah, all in all, it's not bad. There's some things that, you know, clearly need to come out, like the fridge and shit like that. But and probably replace the old school light with probably an LED or something that works. And ultimately, I'd like to put right here, I'd like to put one of those Max Air electric fans in, so he could at least vent out if he was cooking. That would be ideal. And what I'd love to see happen to this would be on the roof, because you can't put a lot of weight on the roof, but there's plenty of room for Starlink, and there's also plenty of room for solar. If you wanted to put a solar panel on the roof and a battery, like a lithium or battery or two, and you know, have yourself a nice little power supply where you could off-grid this thing with you can do shore power for sure. There's that. You got your drain for your tank, your fill for your water tank, but if you wanted to get up here and put solar panel or two up here with a couple lithium ion batteries in there, the lithium camper batteries, wire them up and together, and put like a Starlink Mini or something like that on the roof. This thing would be able, you would have Wi-Fi, you'd have solar power, you'd have all the things, and put LED lights in it and stuff so it doesn't draw a crazy amount of power. Might be a cool idea. I don't know. See where it goes. See what he wants to do. But for now, guys, that's where we're at. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Tomorrow, Big Ron's going to get up on the roof here and caulk. We're letting it dry right now. It's supposed to have good weather for the rest of the week, so he'll caulk the roof and all of this, clean all this up on the sides where it's cracked, and then we'll take a couple hours and get up there and reseal this roof with that coating. What color is that coating? White? White. So it'll have a new white coating on the roof that'll seal up. This shit works great, and we'll go over that when we get to it. But that'll be in the next couple days, hopefully. And yeah, then we can hopefully save this thing. Because I think if we would have left it sitting here the way it was, I think we'd have lost it another year or two, and I think it'd have been done. The floor's good, from what we can tell. I haven't fallen through it anywhere. It doesn't seem weak. It's just this front right here. On the inside, it's got a couple holes in it. We need to fix the paneling there, put a new piece in, and you know, clean it up and do what we do, paint it and make it cool and all the things. So stay tuned for all this. And appreciate you guys. You want to support us, just check out our videos, like and subscribe. We'd love to have you both here and on TikTok. We're also on Instagram, Facebook, we're everywhere. But yeah, this is going to be something we're kind of messing with on the side, because we have so much spare time. This will be just another thing, but this has to be done, guys, really. I mean, you know, when I walked out here this morning, the tarp was basically ripped off of it from a storm we had, and the whole vent cap up there was brittle and broken off, and I mean, water was just gonna pour in this thing. And we've just gotten lucky that we caught it before it really rained. So yeah, so it's Operation Save the Serro Scotty. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys tomorrow.